there's a stage in everyone's life where they get overweight, and when they realize that yes, this is the point where I have to like change my whole lifestyle. I was like before Shivangi, that was 80 kgs. That was very immature. That is the moment where I thought कि अभी यहाँ से जो journey start होगा, that is going to be different. My name is Shivangi Das. Currently, I'm working as a coach in Forge Fitness. Professionally, I'm an interior designer as well. But the only goal which I'm pursuing right now is towards my competition. I could see my career that yes, this is the field where I am going to make something. This is my passion and I am going to do it happily, that no one can stop me. That's how I came over here. That's how my goals started getting more clear. The whole mindset is to just give your best to kill yourself, because whatever hours I'm spending in the gym and I'm giving my energy, I don't want it to go waste. I feel more confident. I don't give shits to like what people are thinking. So right now, preparing for the competition, when the idea came into my mind, as a coach I already know that what workout I have to do. But that proper technique which has to, target your routine, which has to target your nutrition, that was not there. So it's very easy to achieve that 80% in your life, but after that 80%, it's like just blank. So that 20% which is left, to bridge that gap, it's very difficult. So my coach helped me in that. That's one and only Rajendra Dhole, as he is very famous for training Taivish Raw. I took one session with him, and then trust me, that was the worst day of my life. I thought this is the difficult workout I cannot do. So then he told me, yes, give it a try for Olympia. Your efforts, your hard work will pay you off and you should do it. That's the target now. The thing which has made me strong throughout this journey is women have been always degraded, that if you're going to compete, you're going to look manly. If you're going to wear a bikini, you're cheap. If you're going to do this, my family is not going to accept you, which is totally wrong. I'm not competing because I have to prove this to anyone. Women have already achieved a lot in world that they do not have to give any more examples. I am doing it for my own self because I don't want to be a person who I was. So at the end of the day, the whole moral or the whole motto is to be a role model for someone else. Like in fact, every woman who is passionate about their fitness journey, to look up to me as their role model and take a step towards their lifestyle or towards their fitness or whatever. And for other women over there, I will definitely tell them that if they feel that they are weak, then they are not. The only thing which they have to do is believe in themselves. To the viewers out there, I would just give a simple advice that take some time out of your busy life. Just take half an hour, 45 minutes, go to the gym or go wherever or do whatever kind of exercise that makes you comfortable and makes you happy at the end of the day. You feel that I have done something for myself, and eat healthy, just eat what keeps you fit, that's it. I have a dream of opening my own gym where I can do my interior designing as well and train other people.